Wise words of wisdom, inspirational quotes, IQ. Disclaimer: nothing in this video should be construed as financial advice. Tesla stock, listed under the ticker symbol TSLA, has an extremely prominent presence in the financial markets and has captivated many investors with its remarkable growth and innovation. As an EV manufacturer, Tesla has revolutionized the automotive industry, becoming the most valuable carmaker globally. But Tesla isn't just a car company. Tesla is also on the cutting edge of robotics, AI, energy storage, and many other highly profitable markets. Tesla innovation is second to none. Charismatic CEO Elon Musk has played a pivotal role in shaping the company's image and driving its stock price to extraordinary heights. Tesla has already created numerous millionaires, but many believe the best is yet to come. Let's examine what others are saying about the company and its stock. For all the supporters of Tesla over the years, and it's been several years now, and there have been some very tough times, I'd just like to say thank you very much. I deeply appreciate the support, particularly through the darkest times. Elon Musk. I'm more interested in, SpaceX and Tesla. What's going to happen with our intergalactic possibilities? Lana Del Rey. I could either watch it happen or be a part of it. Elon Musk. The world sucks, man. But Tesla does have a mid-size car now, and that's very important to the future. Vince Staples. I wish we could be private with Tesla. It actually makes us less efficient to be a public company. Elon Musk. I drive a Prius, but I dream of the Tesla. Jasmine Simon.
You are watching Wise Words of Wisdom, Inspirational Quotes, IQ, the Inspirational Quotes channel everyone goes to for their daily motivation and to learn from the most successful men and women in history. If you like today's video, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing so you never miss a new episode. Today's sponsor is Bob Proctor and the Proctor Gallagher Institute. Discover the secret to having good luck from America's greatest prosperity teacher, Bob Proctor. 6 Minutes to Success is based on Bob's more than 50 years of research into what makes or keeps people from being successful. Get instant access to the free video right now. The link is in the description. Now let's get back to more great quotes.
It's a pipe dream, but for me, I've always wanted a Tesla. I would never have to go to a gas station. Maren Morris. Tesla burns cash. It's not a car company. It's a cult of fanatics who think Elon Musk can do no wrong. But financially, it doesn't work. Bob Lutz. I think Tesla will most likely develop its own autopilot system for the car, as I think it should be camera-based, not lidar-based. However, it is also possible that we do something jointly with Google. Elon Musk. When we got Tesla going at the very beginning, if you asked me what I thought the odds of success were, I would have said less than 50%. I would have said that failure is the most likely outcome. Elon Musk. For me, it was never about money, but solving problems for the future of humanity. Elon Musk. I had a Tesla. I was one of the first cats with a Tesla, but I'm telling you, I've been on the side of the road a while in that thing. George Clooney. I don't put Tesla in the Amazon category. They have not proved to me that, As a financial model and an economic model, it is going to work. Stanley Druckenmiller. The overarching goal of Tesla is to help reduce carbon emissions, and that means low cost and high volume. We will also serve as an example to the auto industry, proving that the technology really works and customers want to buy electric vehicles. Elon Musk. We have teams of people working on electric cars. So you never know. You may find Virgin competing with Tesla in the car business as we do in the space business. Richard Branson. The rap against Tesla has always been of the yes but variety. Yes, it's a fine artisanal designer and manufacturer of electric cars, and its CEO is one of the few business leaders alive for whom the label visionary isn't hyperbolic. Adam Lashinsky. Sometimes people are looking for, what's the next Tesla car? What's this really cool, super specific thing that people are going to want? But I try to be just like a Ford truck. They sell a lot more Ford trucks than they do Tesla cars. Luke Combs. I have given myself a Tesla for my 60th birthday. Stanley Druckenmiller. Well, my motivation behind Tesla is really to do as much good as possible for the environment and the electric vehicle revolution. I think there is still a lot of work to do, and if we were to sell to a big company, I'm not sure it would progress at the same pace. Elon Musk. Invention is not enough. Tesla invented the electric power we use, but he struggled to get it out to people. You have to combine both things, invention and innovation focus, plus the company that can commercialize things and get them to people. Larry Page. Tesla has defied everyone's predictions again and again. It has such a unique position in the market. And so far, whatever people think about Tesla and its business model, there is one fact that nobody can dispute. It pretty much has the market to itself. Henrik Fisker. Failure is an option here. If things are not failing, you are not innovating enough. Elon Musk. Our confidence in Tesla has grown as we've done research on what ride-sharing potentially could add. It could limit the risks significantly. It's a much more profitable business than electric vehicles. Kathy Wood. When something is important enough, you do it even if the odds are not in your favor. Elon Musk. The biggest fear that I see is that we will be left behind. We are a very slow industry. For us to make a decision takes forever. Take Tesla. Elon moves at the speed of a rocket. Sergio Marchion. Many things are improbable. Only a few are impossible. Elon Musk. Nikola Tesla, one of Colorado's famous residents, always believed that the gasoline engine made no sense. Kimball Musk. Some people don't like change, but you need to embrace change if the alternative is disaster. Elon Musk. Starting and growing a business is as much about the innovation, drive, and determination of the people who do it as it is about the product they sell. Elon Musk. Early traction of Tesla is tracking very closely to Apple. Chamath Palihapitiya. I care very deeply about the people at Tesla. I feel like I have a great debt to the people of Tesla who are making the company successful. Elon Musk.